Good morning guys. My name is Apple Green Legaspi. I'm actually doing right now my week 4 discussion 1. And I know I'm a little bit late because my computer doesn't work, so I have to use my phone to do the video. So for this week for discussion 1, I'm talking about the United States is an anonymous country having a varied terrain with some areas being prone to a natural hazards. Flooding is a hazard that occurs pretty much, especially along coastline. This severe kind of weather results in high numbers of fatalities. Currently, we have had approximately 40 deaths at least are prone to natural hazard, and Vermont is among them. Although Vermont is not commonly known for hurricanes and tropical storms, it has recently experienced Hurricane Bob from the Atlantic Ocean as a Category 1 storms. The hurricane has caused massive damage to Caribbean island, but more of the damage seems to be concentrated within the Vermont state. To mitigate the situation, as a director of the Federal Emergency Management Agency, or FEMA, I would allocate funds. Sorry, I'm using my other phone. Funds for construction bridge and culverts that can withstand flood, improve predictions of natural hazard by monitoring and issuing updates which all enable rapid response to this event. Equally important, FEMA will undertake measures to reduce flood damage by building flood-resistant parks and encouraging people to design buildings that can withstand flooding. Therefore, in order to stay safe, residents in this region should move to higher grounds if they are not trapped by the floods, while those who are trapped in flash flood about should wait for rescue team and should not step into the waters because it may be contaminated with chemicals. The public health concern that arises as a result of this event in the increase of parasite infections that can spread diseases to untreated water, for instance, amokpa, which is common in the south. In these circumstances, some of the long-term health effects include waterborne and communicable gastrointestinal and respiratory diseases. The population that is most at risk are the children and the disabled, and during such emergency, we should watch out for them and offer assistance. For emergency measure, I would advise the people of Vermont to evacuate the area and move in with friends or family based in other higher regions. Alternative shelters are also provided by the American Red Cross for those who are not in position to travel. Additionally, avoid stepping into the water because its depth is not obvious and its not potential sweep you away. Additionally, it is concerned as a health hazard since contaminated members of the community will only to turn home when the authorities state that it is okay to do so. For personal safety, slippery floors or loose boards, it is also important to seek local health services if you or loved ones show signs of anxiety and depression. I urge the community to stay calm as the state and local authorities help in the rescue mission. So that's all, guys. Thank you.